In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute an account on Substack. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are subscribed to any account or you are following any account, but you wish to see less of their content or to receive less of their content notifications, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and mute their account. As you can see here, I'm following this account. So I'll go ahead and mute this account and then unmute it because I like it and I've been following it. To unmute account that you have been following or subscribed to, just go ahead and tap on it to open, and then you should see we have three dots or lines here, these ellipses. Go ahead and tap on it and you should see we have an option to mute. By tapping on mute, now you can see this account has been muted, and therefore you'll receive less notifications from this account and see less of their content. Should you want to unmute the account again, go ahead and just tap on the three lines and then unmute the account, and now you can see the account has been unmuted. So that's how you can mute or unmute account on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.